Okay, you might wonder, what is she doing here on the parking lot of a hardware store in the Netherlands, all dressed up like this? Well, that's because I was asked to be a jury member of this great competition in the Netherlands, looking for the best handyman or best handywoman. And the competition was that they had to build an outdoor kitchen in 6 hours during the night. And the reason why I wanted to show you this is because you can see that in 6 hours time, these four people, because there were still 4 contestants left who were in the final. I just wanted to show you that the creativity of these 4 people was really brilliant. And it shows you that these people, not professionals, but amateurs just like me, can build something great in just a night, actually. They're filming at the moment. I'm here in the hardware store whole night long. Never dreamed of being in a hardware store for a night. So if you want to see, you can click on the link downstairs and you can watch the program.